7 simple financial goals for 2026. Imagine this. It's December 1926. You wake up on a crisp morning, check your bank account, and smile. The credit card balance that once haunted you? Gone. Your savings are healthy, your side hustle is growing, and for the first time, you feel in control of your financial life. That kind of peace doesn't come from luck. It comes from direction. And that direction starts with setting a few simple, powerful goals today. The truth is, you don't need to be a millionaire to live like one. You just need to manage your money with purpose. Let's dive into 7 simple financial goals for 2026 that can completely change your financial future. Step by step, starting right now. 1. Build a 3 to 6 month emergency fund, your safety net. If 2020 taught the world anything, it's this. Life is unpredictable. Jobs vanish, health emergencies happen, and cars break down. The only real protection you have is an emergency fund, a cushion that gives you breathing room when life throws a curveball. Start small. Aim for 3 months of essential living expenses, rent, groceries, bills, and transportation. Once you hit that, stretch it to 6 months. It doesn't have to happen overnight. Even saving $100 or $200 per month adds up fast. Keep this fund in a separate savings account, not where you'll be tempted to touch it. Think of it as your sleep well at night money, a shield against panic and debt. By the end of 2026, when an unexpected event happens, you won't be asking, "What do I do?" You'll already be ready. 2. Pay off high-interest debt. Cut the chains. Debt is like quicksand. The more you struggle without a plan, the deeper you sink. But 2026 can be the year you break free. Start by listing all your debts, credit cards, personal loans, or even small borrowings from friends or apps. Then choose your attack strategy, the avalanche method. Pay off the debt with the highest interest rate first. The snowball method. Pay off the smallest debt first for quick wins and motivation. Whichever you pick, stick to it. Every extra payment is a step toward freedom. If you can, negotiate lower interest rates or transfer your balance to a lower rate credit card to save on interest. Imagine the peace of opening your mail and seeing balance $0. That's not just financial freedom, it's emotional freedom. Debt repayment isn't about punishment. It's about reclaiming control of your income and future. 3. Create and follow a monthly budget. Take back control. Here's the truth most people don't want to hear. If you don't tell your money where to go, it will disappear on its own. A monthly budget isn't about restricting yourself. It's about directing your money toward your goals. List your total income, then track your expenses. Rent, utilities, groceries, entertainment, savings, and debt payments. Try the 50-30-20 rule. 50% for needs, bills, groceries, transport. 30% for wants, dining out, subscriptions, hobbies. 20% for savings and debt repayment. You can use apps like YNAB, Mint, or Good Budget, or a simple Google Sheet. The tool doesn't matter. Consistency does. Budgeting gives you a sense of control that feels empowering. It helps you see what's leaking out of your wallet and how to redirect that energy toward building wealth. 4. Save or invest 10 to 15% of your income. Pay yourself first. The most common mistake people make is saving what's left after spending. The secret? Flip that habit. Save first, spend what's left. Every time you get paid, automatically transfer 10-15% of your income into savings or investments before you even see it. If your paycheck is $2,000, that's just $200 and $300. You can start with a high-yield savings account, then move to mutual funds, ETFs, or index funds once you're comfortable. The earlier you start, the more compound interest works for you. 5. Build a secondary income stream. Create money while you sleep. In 2026, relying on one source of income is risky. The job market shifts, technology replaces roles, and inflation erodes purchasing power. That's why building a secondary income stream, even a small one, is essential. It could be freelancing online, writing, design, editing, social media, starting a YouTube channel, podcast or blog selling products through Etsy, Fiverr, or digital marketplaces, investing in dividend stocks or rental income. Even an extra $200, $500 a month can go toward investments, debt repayment, or savings. But the real benefit is psychological. It makes you realize you are not limited by your salary. 6. Improve your financial literacy. Knowledge is the real currency. Money doesn't just grow through earning, it grows through understanding. If you want to transform your finances, start by upgrading your financial literacy. Spend 15 minutes a day reading about personal finance, investing, or money management. Watch YouTube finance channels like Graham Stephan, Andre Geek, or The Plain Bagel. 7. Set a clear long-term goal. Your why behind every decision. Money alone isn't motivation, but purpose is. Maybe you want to buy your first home, travel the world, build a business, or simply achieve peace of mind. Whatever your dream is, write it down. Then break it into smaller, achievable milestones for 2026. For example, save $10,000 for a down payment. Pay off all credit cards. Invest $5,000 into an index fund. When your goal is clear and measurable, every choice becomes easier. You'll think twice before impulse shopping, and you'll smile each time your balance grows. Because you know what it's leading toward. A goal gives money meaning, and meaning is what keeps you consistent even when motivation fades. Bonus mindset. Practice gratitude and contentment. One secret most millionaires share: they learned to be grateful long before they were rich. Gratitude doesn't mean settling. It means appreciating the present while working for a better future. In 2026, challenge yourself to live below your means and find joy in simplicity. When you stop comparing your financial journey to others, you free yourself from the trap of endless consumption. Putting it all together, your 2026 blueprint. Let's recap. 1. Build an emergency fund for peace. 2. Pay off debt for freedom. 3. Budget to take control. 4. Save and invest to grow. 5. Build a side income to diversify. 6. Learn daily to get smarter. 7. Set a long-term goal to stay focused. Each of these steps alone is powerful, but together they create unstoppable momentum. Remember, wealth isn't built in a day. Closing reflection, the 2026 got you. Picture yourself 1 year from now. You wake up without financial stress, your savings are steady, your credit score is up, and you finally feel like your money works for you. Not the other way around. That version of you exists. It's waiting at the end of consistent small steps. 2026 can be the year you stop surviving and start thriving. The year your relationship with money transforms completely. If you found this guide helpful, share it with someone who needs financial clarity in 2026. Let's build a generation that's not just chasing money, but mastering it.